Okay, we want to bring in former FBI Special Agent Brad Garrett to talk about this latest development in the Nancy Guthrie case. Really a huge development. We have these images now that we are told law enforcement has been able to recover. And when people are looking at this video, everyone wants people to see this video, including Savannah Guthrie, who put it out on her social media. She's saying that they believe their mom is still alive. But when people are looking at this video, what should they be paying attention to? Is it how this person walks? Is it how this person moves? What should they be specifically zeroing in on?
So the camera, you see a guy that's got on rubber gloves, maybe rubber gloves over regular gloves, perhaps. He's got on a ski mask of some sort. You can see his eye, mouth. It looks like he may have facial hair. That he spends a lot of time, in my view, sort of disorganized about what he's going to do and how he's going to do it. He focuses on the camera at the front door, walks back to, I presume, Nancy's front yard, pulls up some sort of grassy material, maybe part of a cactus, and he goes back and flashes it in front of the camera. I have no idea why he's doing that. Then he eventually removes the camera. But you have him walking toward the camera and away from the camera. It gives you sort of how he walks, what his build is. There may be a way to identify the brand of his backpack, or if in fact are lights. There looks like to me they're sort of reflectors or lights that are on the straps of his backpack. Could they be identified? Maybe. These are all long shots, but these are things you do in these type of cases. And so I think the combination of what he has on, how he walks, and his sort of level of disorganization, in my view, I'm really shocked. In some other neighborhood, he would have gotten caught spending that much time, but maybe he knew that there wouldn't be anybody around because of the remoteness of those houses, so who knows. But so you have all of that. So I think it's a lot of information and a lot of behavior that may well help somebody ID him.
Based on his behavior, I've been seeing people surmise that this person might not be this kind of professional criminal, not bringing something to cover the camera potentially. What's your thoughts on that?
I don't think he's professional at all. And it may actually go to motive, which I have no idea. This case was never right from the beginning for me. It's like, is this a ransom kidnapping? Well, the email letters sort of took us in the direction as a ransom kidnapping, but I think it looks like to me law enforcement has sort of washed those out. And obviously both the deadlines have occurred. I assume no money was exchanged and no information about Nancy. So that may just have been a scam, but we'll see.
Yeah.
But this guy looks like a lone actor to me, that why he went to Nancy's house, why he did whatever he did, and obviously he hurt her with the amount of blood that's at the front door, and he was in the house for 45 minutes. I mean, that's unheard of in a kidnapping case. The last thing you want to do is spend any time in somebody's house because you don't want to get caught. You want to get away, demand a ransom, and then go from there. This doesn't feel like it has any of those elements. We've now had 9 days and never presumably heard from this guy. So what's the motive here? Is this personal some way? I don't know. But, eventually we'll figure it out.
Yeah. And now we have these images, these videos the FBI has been able to pull. What will they be doing now with those images? Could they do more with them? Could they, pick out these small little details that you're talking about?
Well, they should be able, you're limited on cameras about how much you're able to, I think it has to do with pixels or something like that, of how much definition you really have. And so can they make it bigger and figure out what type of gun that he has stuck in his waistband, which is, I will also tell you, is a bizarre place to carry a weapon. It's really a dangerous place. People who do that end up shooting themselves. It's like he lacks any ability to carry a weapon properly. And what does that tell me? I don't know what it tells me, but it may be something actually that will help ID him if in fact he does that on a regular basis. But every item that he has on, I think, has potential, limited as it might be, long shot as it might be, that could potentially help maybe ID him. But I really think the winner with him is going to be somebody's going to ID him on what they can see, his clothing, his walk, and his demeanor, his sort of lack of direction. And because my guess is he's that way in other parts of his life.
And you were saying it seems like this case has never felt right to you. Where do you think we go from here? You mentioned those apparent ransom notes. Now we have kind of this big break. What do you think happens next?
I think they're going to put every effort into identifying him, and I totally agree in releasing this picture. I'm going to guess they did try to ID him before that, but there's just not enough there, I guess, for them to successfully. And I've been there before with these videos and trying to identify people off of them. But I do think there's enough in this video that if somebody lives next door to him, or knows him, is related to him, whatever it might be, I think there's a potential that the police will get a phone call, because this is not a crime that people are going to support in any form or fashion. The only thing that would make this crime worse if it was a child, probably. But kidnapping an elderly person out of their home, I mean, that strikes just about everybody. So it helps you, because I think people of all walks of life may well come forward.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Brad Garrett. We know that the president is calling on any tips from anywhere. If anyone has information, to call law enforcement. Again, thank you so much, former FBI Special Agent Brad Garrett, for joining us, also ABC News contributor as well. Thanks for talking to us throughout this case.
You're welcome. Take